In this chapter, we learn about strings. So, use of strings, how to use strings. So, okay, let's understand this string with some example. Okay, as you can see in the example, so the greetings is assigned with hello world. So the string is actually uh, is a characters is so you can say is array of characters. The string is greetings of is equal to, so this we can have hi here. So greetings. So here is again empty. The compiler will calculate the number of characters by using a string. Automatically it calculates and assign the particular number to this location. Okay, you can left this blank. By default the blank will be okay with this. This is, you can see, is a array of characters. So array of characters is called string, and we can use in the format specifier. The printf format specifier is percentage yes. So percentage yes, comma, and you can use greetings. So this will print the character array into the string this way, and you can assign, this is a read, you can read directly greetings. If you want to read each character, again you can use array index, and if you want to write any characters, greetings of I is equal to j. Here this I can be any value, any index that applicable to this length. In this case is 0 or 1 because this is 2 character length. And if you want to write j to 0 here, instead of I, it will become now IH will be overwritten with j, then it will become j. So this we can use. In this example you can see the greetings are aligned with hello world. Now the first character is assigned with j. Instead of hello world, it printed in the place of h, it printed j, so it become hello world. Yeah, this is the example how we can read and write the string array of characters. So this is the ideal way to print a character array, that means string, using a for loop with the length loop for the length. In this case the length is 5, so this for loop is looping for 5, 0 to 4, so it's printing all the characters. That means the string using a format specifier C, that means percentage %C is printing every character using a each of the characters using index. And here you can generalize the length using a size up name divided by size up the first character. Here in this case is a 1 byte, so the 5 divided by 1 byte is equal to 5. The length is 5, and using that length we can have for loop and print each character one by one using index. And as I mentioned, the string is a character array. In this case, you can see that the each character, uh, the greetings is assigned with each separate characters, and it's printed as a string using a percentage %s specifier. You can see the example is printing character array into string. And here are some of the escape characters. Say for example, the double quote, single quote, they have a different meaning, the control meanings in the string. So that's why we need escape character. This is the backslash is called escape character. So if you want to print double quote or single quote, you need a escape character. As you can see in the example, I used escape character for the single quote, double quote, and for the next line, you can have this next line. The line feed will be given using the slash in, and slash t is a tab. You can see in the example, the tab is given before they string. The slash t is there. That means one tab is given, and before one tab, this one line is there. After the north, you can see one line feed is available, and one all the double quotation, single quotation are started with escape character. So these are the escape characters you can use in the string, and also null /0 can be used to uh, to mark end of the string. /0 can be used, and in this case, the string is given using a double quotation. Compiler automatically calculates end of the character, that is null. It will be added automatically by the compiler. End of the character, that means end of the string, /0 will be appended. Thank you.